Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. Mental health strategies for managing stress, anxiety, and depression. So make sure to watch the full video. Introduction. Maintaining good mental health is crucial for our overall well-being and quality of life. In today's fast-paced and demanding world, it's important to have effective strategies for managing and promoting mental well-being. By incorporating these strategies into our daily lives, we can develop resilience, cope with stress, and enhance our emotional well-being. In this guide, we will explore various approaches and techniques for managing mental health, encompassing self-care, seeking support, adopting healthy habits, and fostering a positive mindset. By implementing these practices, we can take proactive steps towards better mental health and lead a more balanced and fulfilling life. One of the most important strategies for managing mental health is prioritizing self-care. This involves making time for activities that bring us joy and relaxation. Engaging in hobbies, exercising regularly, spending time in nature, and practicing mindfulness and meditation can significantly reduce stress levels and promote mental well-being. Additionally, getting enough restful sleep and establishing a consistent sleep routine is crucial for recharging our minds and bodies. Seeking support is another essential aspect of managing mental health. Building and nurturing a strong support network of friends, family, or support groups allows us to share our feelings, concerns, and experiences. By reaching out to loved ones, we can receive the emotional support and understanding we need. In some cases, professional help from therapists or counselors may be beneficial in providing additional support and guidance. Adopting healthy habits plays a significant role in managing mental health. A balanced and nutritious diet supports both our physical and mental well-being. Regular physical exercise not only helps reduce stress but also releases endorphins, which are natural mood boosters. It is important to limit or avoid the use of substances like alcohol or drugs, as they can have negative effects on mental health. Managing stress is a critical component of maintaining good mental health. Identifying our stress triggers and developing healthy coping mechanisms can significantly impact our well-being. Deep breathing exercises, journaling, and engaging in activities that help us relax are effective stress management techniques. Practicing time management and setting boundaries to prevent overwhelm are also essential for managing stress levels effectively. Fostering a positive mindset is vital for mental health management. Challenging negative thoughts and replacing them with positive and realistic ones can greatly improve our overall well-being. Practicing gratitude by focusing on things we are grateful for each day helps shift our perspective towards positivity. Surrounding ourselves with positive influences, such as supportive relationships or engaging in uplifting activities, also contributes to a positive mindset. 15. Exercise. If you are stressed, exercise can help. A 6-week study of 185 college students found that engaging in aerobic exercise 2 days a week resulted in a reduction in overall stress levels and anxiety due to uncertainty. Additionally, daily exercise improves self-esteem. Many other studies have shown that physical activity can help reduce stress and improve mood. Worse, negative attitudes can lead to increased stress, negative emotions, and poor sleep. Additionally, regular exercise has been shown to improve psychological symptoms such as anxiety and depression. If you are not currently exercising, start with light activities such as walking or cycling. Choosing activities you enjoy can help you take care of them in the long run. 14. Follow a healthy diet. What you eat affects all aspects of your health, including your brain. Studies show that people whose diets are rich in highly processed foods and added sugar are more likely to suffer from depression. Chronic stress can cause you to overeat, which can harm your physical and emotional health. Additionally, a poor diet puts you at risk of exposing yourself to deficient nutrients, such as magnesium and B vitamins, which are important for managing stress and emotions. Reducing your food and beverage intake and increasing your intake of whole foods such as vegetables, fruits, legumes, fish, nuts, and seeds can help keep your body healthy. In this case, this can increase your resilience to stress. 13. Minimize cell phone use and screen time. Smartphones, computers, and tablets are an essential part of everyday life for many people. While these tools are generally helpful, using them too much can lead to increased stress. Many studies have linked excessive smartphone use and iPhone addiction to stress and mental illness. Spending too much screen time is associated with poor mental health and increased stress in adults and children in general. Also, screen time can be detrimental to sleeping, which can increase anxiety. 12. Consider supplement. Multivitamins and minerals play an important role in the body's stress and well-being. Therefore, a lack of one or more nutrients can affect your mental health and ability to cope with stress. Also, some research shows that certain foods can help reduce stress and improve mood. For example, your magnesium levels may drop when you are under chronic stress. Because this mineral plays an important role in your body's stress response, it's important to make sure you're getting enough each day. Magnesium supplementation has been shown to improve anxiety in people with chronic anxiety. An 8-week study in 264 people with low magnesium found that taking 300 milligrams of this mineral daily helped reduce anxiety. This magnesium dose is even better when combined with vitamin B6. Other herbs such as rhodiola, ashwagandha, B vitamins, and L-theanine have also been shown to help reduce anxiety. But dieting may not be suitable or safe for everyone. If you want to use supplements to help manage anxiety, please talk to your doctor. 11. The self-care practice. Taking time for self-care can help reduce stress. Examples: going for a walk, bathing, lighting candles, reading a good book, exercising, preparing healthy meals, stretching before bed, getting a massage, practicing 4 hobbies, 4 being patient, 4 doing yoga. Research self-care people who do not do self-care. They have been shown to experience less stress and have a better quality of life than individuals, resulting in a higher risk of stress and violence. It is important to take time for yourself to lead a healthy life. This is especially important for people experiencing stress, including nurses, doctors, teachers, and caregivers. Self-care doesn't have to be difficult. It just means taking care of your health and happiness. Inhaling certain scents from candles or essential oils can be calming. Here are some scents: lavender, rose, vetiver, bergamot, Roman chamomile, orange blossom, frankincense, sandalwood, ylang ylang, pure aroma. Many studies have shown that aromatherapy can reduce stress and improve sleep. 10. Reduce your caffeine intake. Caffeine is a chemical found in coffee, tea, chocolate, and soft drinks that stimulates the central nervous system. Excessive intake may increase anxiety, 40-41. Also, eating too much can make you sleepy. This will increase the symptoms of anxiety and depression, 42. People have different tolerances for how much caffeine they can tolerate. If you find that caffeine is making you anxious or stressed out, consider reducing your intake by using decaffeinated tea or water instead of coffee or soft drinks. Although many studies have shown the health benefits of coffee in moderation, it is recommended to limit caffeine to less than 400 milligrams per day, at 4 to 5 cups, 0.00 mol, 9 to 1.2 L coffee. However, caffeine-sensitive people may experience increased anxiety and depression after consuming less caffeine than this, so it's important to consider your patients. 9. Spend time with friends and family. Support from friends and family can help you get through stressful times and prevent depression. According to a study of 163 Latino college-going teenagers, low levels of support from friends, family, and romantic partners were associated with loneliness, depressive symptoms, and perceived stress. Having a supportive relationship is important to your overall health. If you're alone and don't have friends or family you can trust, support groups can help. Consider joining a club or sports team, or volunteering for a cause that matters to you. 8. Set boundaries and learn to say no. Not all stress is under your control, but some are. Putting too much on your plate can increase your stress and limit the time you can devote to self-care. Taking control of your life will help you reduce stress and protect your brain. One way to do this is to say no a lot. This is especially true if you find yourself taking on more responsibilities than you can handle, as dealing with multiple responsibilities at the same time can be overwhelming. Making choices about what you do and saying no to unnecessarily burdensome things will reduce your stress level. Also, setting boundaries, especially with people who annoy you, is a great way to protect your health. This can be as simple as asking a friend or family member to stop suddenly or canceling a long-term plan with a friend who loves acting. 7. Learn not to procrastinate. Another way to manage stress is to focus on your priorities rather than procrastination. Procrastination can hurt your productivity and make it harder to keep up. This can lead to stress, which can affect your health and sleep quality. A study of 140 medical students in China showed that procrastination was associated with increased stress. This study also extended the stress of procrastination to a variety of negative parenting behaviors, including punishment and rejection. If you find yourself procrastinating too much, It may help to make it a habit to organize your list first. Set a realistic time for yourself and then follow the list in order. Do what needs to be done today and give yourself time to get rid of distractions. Switching between jobs or multitasking can be stressful in itself. 6. Take a yoga class. Yoga has become a way for people to reduce stress and exercise every day. While styles of yoga differ, most have a common purpose: to connect your body and mind through body and breath awareness. Many studies have shown that yoga can help reduce anxiety and symptoms of anxiety and depression. It can also improve mental health. Such benefits relate to effects on the nervous system and anxiety. Yoga can help lower blood pressure and heart rate while raising levels of gamma-aminobutyric acid, a rare neurotransmitter in people with negative emotions. 5. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness defines the practice of focusing on the present moment. Mindfulness-based stress reduction techniques, such as meditation and mindfulness-based cognitive therapy, MBCT, are a type of cognitive behavioral therapy. Regular meditation, even for short periods, can help improve mood and reduce symptoms of stress and anxiety. If you want to try meditation, there are many books, apps, and websites that can teach you the basics. There may also be doctors in your area who specialize in MBCT. 4. Hugs. Human touch can increase anxiety and help you cope with it. For example, research shows that good physical contact and sex can help relieve stress and loneliness. This type of exposure can help release oxytocin and lower cortisol. In turn, these effects help lower blood pressure and heart rate. High blood pressure and increased heart rate are physical signs of stress. Interestingly, humans aren't the only animals that use hugs to relieve stress. It is also difficult for chimpanzees to hug their friends. 3. Spend time in nature. Spending more time outdoors can help reduce stress. Studies show that spending time in nature in green spaces, such as parks and forests, is a healthy way to manage stress. A review of 14 studies found that spending as little as 10 minutes in a natural setting can help improve the mental and physical health of college students, including stress and health thoughts. Hiking and camping are great options, but some people don't like or participate in these activities. Even if you live in an urban area, you can find green spaces, such as local parks, botanical gardens, and botanical gardens. 2. Practice deep breathing. Stress makes your nervous system emotional, putting your body in battle mode. During this response, stress hormones cause physical symptoms, such as increased heart rate, increased breathing, and blood pressure. Deep breathing can help activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which regulates the response. Deep breathing includes diaphragmatic breathing, abdominal breathing, and brisk breathing. The purpose of deep breathing is to focus your awareness of breathing, making it slower and deeper. When you breathe deeply through your nose, your lungs expand and your stomach rises. This will help slow your heart rate and make you feel relaxed. 1. Spend time with animals. Having an animal can reduce stress and make you feel good. When you hug or touch your pet, your body releases oxytocin, a hormone associated with positive emotions. Also, research shows that pet owners, especially those with dogs, tend to enjoy life, have better self-esteem, reduce feelings of loneliness and depression stress, and think better. Having a pet can also help you cope with stress as it gives you purpose, motivation, and companionship. Types of stress. Stress can be caused by a single event or by temporary situations. This is known as acute stress. Acute stress can be brought on by events that stress you out, such as taking a big test, or by an acute injury, such as a broken bone. Stress can also last a long time without ever feeling like it's easing up. In these instances, events or illnesses may cause continuous stress, or there may be no clear reason for your stress. This is known as chronic stress. Chronic stress is usually the result of personal, lifestyle, or health issues that are also chronic. Common causes of chronic stress include having financial struggles working at a high-pressure job, having personal or relationship issues at home, not feeling like you have enough support from family or friends. Effects of stress on depression. While stress can generally have negative effects on your physical and mental health, it can be especially harmful if you have depression. Stress can make you feel less able to maintain positive habits or coping strategies, which are important to managing depression. This can make symptoms of depression feel more intense. Interrupting a healthy routine can result in negative coping strategies, such as drinking or withdrawing from social relationships. These actions can result in further stress, which can then make depression symptoms worse. Stress can also affect your mood, as anxiety and irritability are both common responses to stress. When a stressor causes you to feel anxious, the anxiety may result in more negative feelings or frustration, even if the stressor is only temporary. Conclusion: taking care of our mental health should be a top priority in our lives. By implementing these strategies for managing mental health, we can proactively nurture our well-being, build resilience, and promote a positive mindset. It's important to remember that everyone's journey toward mental health is unique, and it may take time to find the strategies that work best for us. Don't hesitate to seek support from loved ones, professionals, or support groups when needed. By taking control of our mental well-being and practicing self-care, we can lead healthier, more fulfilling lives and thrive in the face of life's challenges. Prioritize your mental health and embrace these strategies as tools to support your overall well-being. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go.